A growing number of people are filing for bankruptcy to offload their student debt. In 2022, the federal government set out to simplify the bankruptcy process for student loan borrowers. The Biden administration announced a new policy that streamlines the process for borrowers who want to discharge their loans through bankruptcy. In the next few minutes, I'll explain how student loan discharges are more accessible to eligible borrowers. The new policy offers a major change from the usual harsh stance in bankruptcy, whereby you pretty much had to have no ability to have future income. Now the court takes into consideration your current income and expenses and your foreseeable future income to allow more people to be able to discharge student loans in bankruptcy. Traditionally, borrowers, in order to discharge student loans, had to bring a lawsuit called an adversary proceeding. The standard was very hard. You had to show the inability in the future to make ongoing payments. You had to have a lack of current income, and really that it would be an undue hardship to have these payments continue. Now, basically, you still have to initiate an adversary, but there's a form called an attestation form that you submit to the Department of Justice, basically to have more factors brought into consideration, and then you would know up front if they're going to settle with you before going into the throes of litigation. They're going to take into account factors like your age, how long you've been repaying, what your future income is. So it is a less stringent test. You don't have to show inevitably lack of future income, so that older borrowers may be able to get more of a benefit now than in the past. Under the new attestation form test with the Department of Justice and the adversaries in bankruptcy, there aren't a lot of cases that have been filed, but those that have been filed have helped alleviate cases that in the past just would not have been subject to discharge. There are a few cases pending in Colorado, so we're waiting to see what those are, but we are very confident that some people that were ineligible in the past are going to be able to take advantage of this program. Previously, it was nearly impossible for people to get rid of student loan debt through traditional bankruptcy proceedings. I'm here to help student loan borrowers. If you're considering filing for bankruptcy to get rid of your student loan debt, reach out to our team for a case assessment.